Hi, today I want to give you a short review of this wireless 3-in-1 charger. This charger is designed to charge your phone, watch or earbuds. In the package you will find the base, 2 charging pieces, cable and instruction. It does not come with the power supply. Included cable is USB-C to your regular USB. Assembly is super easy, you just have to align the charging base and it clicks, and this is the piece that is used for charging a watch, and all you have to do is just slide it right here and your watch is gonna be supported right here. This looks like an Apple connector. I don't have any Apple devices, so I'm not gonna use this part. In the back you will find a regular USB connector and USB-C connector. This charging station has 10 watts of power. Now to charge the phone, all you have to do is put appropriate device that is capable of wireless charging onto the base, and right now you can see my phone is charging. I have Samsung Galaxy S10e and the phone is charging perfectly. As you can see, my phone features really thick poetic case. The phone is basically half of the thickness, and the charging in a case does not interfere with the charging process. Boom, no problem. So as you can see, this wireless charger works perfectly. If you want to get rid of any cables and you just want to have this by your nightstand, just rest your phone on it whenever you feel like it and charge it without any cables. And also you can use it as a stand. It works perfectly, it's nice and solid. I don't have any watch to charge, so I cannot demonstrate how this works. So as you can see, this works perfectly. I really like this base and it's gonna be one of my favorite toys at home. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.